There's only a handful of days left in this month's Traders Contest, and this week the over 1,150 traders that have been taking part have had to trade in a pretty volatile market. All week the markets were eagerly awaiting the outcome of the emergency summit held by the EU leaders. So let's now have a listen to how a couple of traders traded leading up to the announcement and just after.
Actually, a week before the EU summit, I was taking long positions on currencies that are regarded as risk-on, such as the Australian dollar and euro, since many were anticipating that the Europeans would announce something big. About 2 days before the announcement, I was lightening up my positions, and I didn't take any trades up to the day of the announcement due to the volatility that I was expecting.
Before the EU summit, we had the momentum for sentiment up for the euro. We've been climbing higher since the beginning of the month, and we'll eventually hit the psychological level of 45. The EU summit announcement only postponed Greece default, in my view. Some more important elections are coming in France and Germany that I think is worth mentioning. And we'll see next year how the final solution will be and how it will affect the other countries in the Eurozone.
I'm new at the Dukascopy context and I do fundamental analysis. My advice for the next days will be very simple. Avoid euro because things will be very shaky and agreement is not very clear yesterday, and play with Scandinavian currencies against dollar, which is very weak and continue to be. Australian dollar could be also very good options. Bye.
The EU summit was not the only thing markets kept a close eye on. The Bank of Japan expanded its asset purchase program in a bid to boost growth, and there's been a string of rate decisions by central banks across the globe. But who used the market volatility to their best advantage? First up on the list is Nagello. This trader went short with the dollar Swedish krona and scooped 476 pips when the price was falling and the position was closed on the rebound. The most impressive thing about this trade is its take profit. NSIC Blade couldn't have been more accurate and gained a cool 109 pips when trading with the euro dollar. Similar to an impressive trade shown last week, this trader likes to buy on the rise and sell on the fall. TAC traders surfed the uptrend wave of the Kiwi until the 129 pip deal they were looking for was reached. And finally, by going short with the euro dollar just before the dramatic fall, Ez trader gained 89 pips, hitting take profit just before the rebound. Well, let's take a look at who's been moving and shaking the most during the final full week of the contest. There's still a chance for some of you to claw back those cash-winning positions, but remember, don't lose your focus, stay disciplined, and next week I'll be revealing who made all the right moves to become #1 in October's Traders Contest. Good luck!